This is the last episode of How to Magic. EvanEraTV.com. I am your host, EvanEra, and this is the last episode of How to Magic of 2020.
Gotcha. Oh, magic!
Last prank of the year. This is the last episode of How to Magic of the year 2020. We're not going anywhere. What's good and welcome back to How to Magic. And since 2020 was a year unlike any other, this is kind of a rewind video unlike any other. Thought we'd do something a little different. So we're going to be taking a look back at the year 2020 month by month. First stop on our rewind is January. We started the year off with a bang. Our first video out of the gate, 7 magic tricks that you can do. I just light the corner. Wave the scarf one more time. It looks like over 1 million views. Thank you guys so much for the support. Which brings us to February. In February, Ava and I went down to the US Virgin Islands, one of my favorite spots. Here's some quick clips from our trip. We're in Miami. Next up, the month of March. Pretty much immediately after Ava and I returned from USVI, the pandemic started.
The first case of COVID-19.
Coronavirus.
COVID-19! COVID-19 can be characterized as a pandemic.
In April, we felt like we needed to do something to give back.
Even indoors, in the weird world of isolation, good news was happening everywhere. EvanEra Magic kicks things off by making kindness look super easy as he makes one driver's delivery extra special.
Our series of videos giving away essential items to delivery drivers went viral and helped spread joy all across the world.
Isn't that something? Awesome. That video topping 3.9 million views as demand for toilet paper and hand sanitizer, of course, reaches an all-time high. EvanEra, who is gifting these essential supplies and drinking a cup of coffee at 4:45 in the morning here on the East Coast, joins us now. Hey, Evan, how you doing?
Garnering attention from media outlets, celebrities, and news stations all around the globe. And that brings us to the month of May. We felt like we needed to do something specifically for you guys to thank you for all your support, and that is why we started the Magic at Home contest. Announcement time. We are having a major contest. A perfect opportunity for you guys to showcase your talents to us, and you did. In the month of June, we announced the winners of the Magic at Home contest. Myself and our panel of celebrity guest judges went through hundreds of video submissions to find our winners. I was amazed by your talents and so happy that so many of you participated in the contest. Which brings us to the month of July, my favorite month of the year. The first thing was the 4th of July. We threw a nice family party, had a big water slide, lit off some fireworks, we had like an ice cream truck come to the house. Super fun time. Everybody stayed safe and celebrated the holiday with family. And then at the end of the month of July, on July 25th, I turned 34 years old. Spent the birthday with Ava and my mom. Kept it real low-key. Which brings us to the month of August. August was a blur. I really don't know what happened in August. We only managed to make 2 videos. I drove blind in one of them, which was fun. But I really don't know what happened in August. I think I'll chalk that one up to pandemic fatigue. I don't know what happened in August. And next up is the month of September. In September, I started the EvanEra podcast, a project I've been really wanting to start for a long time. And I thought 2020, what better time to start my podcast? We've only done 2 episodes so far. I didn't really think about the timing of getting guests in here with COVID going on. So we've only done 2 episodes. If you haven't checked them out yet, be sure to check out the EvanEra podcast channel. I'm going to do more episodes soon. In October, Ava turned 11 years old. We had Dreams Design come out and set up an amazing balloon display and some really cool yard signs for her birthday. And throughout the month of October, we were ordering over 100 deliveries to the house to pull off the jumping spider prank. As always, we made some epic Halloween videos in the month of October for How to Magic. And then on November 1st, I dropped my first song, New Era. And then I dropped 3 more, Hedge Fund, Diamonds, and What I'm About. Dropped all of those during the month of November, and then on November 29th, we headed back down to USVI, back down to the Virgin Islands to film the music video for my first song, New Era. And the last month of the year, December, the month we're in right now, I dropped the official lyric video for my song, New Era, which you can check out on the channel. As always, we did some really cool winter and Christmas themed episodes of How to Magic. And our video from April, giving things away to delivery drivers, won Jukin Media's Video of the Year award. Which brings us to now, the end of the year, and 2020 was a crazy year for everyone. I want to thank you for sticking with us this entire time, and I want to tell you about some upcoming things. On January 1st, 2021, I am dropping the New Era music video. The official music video that we filmed on location in the US Virgin Islands drops on January 1st, should be tomorrow when this video is posted. January 7th is the 6-year anniversary of the first episode of How to Magic. 6 years ago, on the 7th, I posted the first episode of How to Magic on YouTube. 2021 will be the best season of How to Magic yet. We have some really exciting things planned. And keep your eyes and ears open during 2021 for our live tour show announcement coming to a drive-in theater near you. The Magic Under the Stars tour. So, despite everything, despite all the craziness of 2020, we still managed to make it an amazing, magical year, and I want to thank you. So, in closing, 2020 was a year where we literally had everything thrown at us, and if you made it through this year and you're here watching this video now, that's a blessing, and we should be happy about that. I'm thankful that you're here with me. Please give a thumbs up on this video. Let me know that you're there. Let's see if we can get 5,000 likes on this video. Until next time, until the next episode of How to Magic, which will be here in just a few days, thank you for watching, and remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. See you next year.